The point of this video is to show how to power this port replicator with an old laptop power supply. My first step is going to be finding some wire that will fit. Here I'm actually using a nail. Next, I'm going to cut these little pieces of this 14-2 to size and then fold over the ends just to make a loop so that I can twist the leads from the power supply on after. Now I'm just going to put a piece of electrical tape, sticky side out, on the port, and then punch the little wires through that into their respective holes. That will hold them in place for when the hot glue sets them after it's been all soldered. Now I'm just going to open up the power supply and confirm that positive and negative are. According to this, positive should be the core, so I'm just going to confirm that with my meter. Yes, the numbers are positive, so that means the core is positive. I'm just going to use a piece of old Christmas lights that were dead, and now we're just going to cut them to length, and I'm going to wrap them around. You wouldn't have to do this step if you didn't want to save the end, but I want to have it backwards compatible with the old laptops, so I'm going to pull off of the middle and solder this in place. I'm just going to twist it around. That'll just hold it in place till the solder can firmly lock it on, because this, when you pull on it, you want it to be solid. I'm just going to cut a piece of electrical tape and fit it through there just to hold them separate, because we don't want the positive and negative ever getting close to each other. Then I'm just going to tape the whole thing up to keep it from the air. I'm just going to put hot glue. I'm going to want to put lots of hot glue on this, but before we finish putting our hot glue, I'm going to fold up the edges of the first piece of tape. I'm going to put this piece of tape right around it, and then fill it with hot glue. And that will be the connection. When we're done, we'll just leave the tape on there. Could pull it off, but it doesn't really matter to me. Okay, now it's been 5 minutes, and the port seems nice, so it all looks good. Let's test it. The light comes on, yes.